So guys, I've made this app for notification. We will be discussing a small notification example here. It's a simple button. If I click on the button, then you see just to the right of this video camera icon at the top tray, you will see there's new icon which came in, right? If I drag the tray like this, I'll see that there is this notification, second one, new mail from test@gmail.com. As we all know, being Android users, if we click on this notification, then we are taken to a new screen, or we can take the user to any screen that we want to. So in this example, we will be discussing how to make that happen. All right, so let's see how to do this. So to save the time, I have already put a button here, and this button is the same button that the user will click and will be taken to the notification tray. You go to the main activity, and we see we need to type on click create notification. Sorry, public void. After this, I will have to create an intent, and here I will write the name of the second activity where I want this to go. My intent has to be fired to. I will have to create this activity. Sorry. Then I create a pending intent. So pending intent, as we discussed in our last session also, is like an intent which is waiting to happen. Once the activity for which it is waiting happens, it gets fired. Get activity, context, I'll give it current time millis as the code, and default flag is 0. I'll create a notification object noti, this I'll have to set content title, new email from xyz@gmail.com, dot set content title. Sorry, set content title is done. Text. Subject. Set small icon. I have already kept one icon in my drawable folder which I will use here. set content intent. Here it is. Here I give the pending intent that will be fired once somebody clicks on. So for this notification, or here the pending intent, what it does is, if you click on that notification, then this pending intent gets fired, and then pending intent, once the pending intent gets fired, it gets you the activity which you require, right? This intent finally takes you to the activity 2 class. Add action. So you can also add actions here and work on them if you want to, but for this we will only put actions with only for showing the icons. We will not really work on them. I just added 3 more actions just to show that this all is possible. And that's it. Now I also need to make a notification manager object. I will use the bitwise operators here to set the right flags. This is done now. Only thing that we need now is activity 2 has to be made. And in its layout I will put a text view just to show that how to, when a user clicks on the notification, where is it taken. Yeah, so this is again done. Let's run this on an emulator and see if it's working fine or not. So guys, I ran that application on my mobile device, and let's see. Yeah, so as I clicked on the show notification button, there's this icon which starts appearing up there on the tray. I will drag it like this, and I can see that there's this notification which I had prepared. Now when I click on this notification, I should be taken to the activity 2, and if I click yes, I'm being taken to the activity 2 where I can see the text which I had mentioned in the text view, right? So now this notification part is done. Let's meet in our next session to discuss our maps, what all maps can do for us in the Google Android system, and we'll try to probably fiddle a little bit with maps, find out if you can really mention a position or two on the map, and or you can zoom it out or not. All right, so till then, take care and see you in the next session. Bye bye.